People say luxury SUVs are money pits, that owning one means drowning in repair bills and maintenance costs. But is that actually true, or just a fear that became a myth? The myth claims that luxury SUVs, BMW X5, Mercedes GLE, Audi Q7, Range Rover, always cost huge money to maintain. Oil changes? Expensive. Brake jobs? Expensive. Repairs? Catastrophic. Fact 1. Luxury SUVs can be expensive if you service them at the dealership. This is where the myth starts. Dealerships charge luxury taxes on everything. A BMW X5 brake job at the dealer can easily cost over $2,000. A Mercedes GLE oil change, 3 to 4 times more expensive than a Camry. Real examples at dealerships: BMW X5 xDrive brake rotors plus pads, $1,800 to $2,200. Mercedes GLE oil change, $280 to $400. Audi Q7 spark plugs, $650 plus. Range Rover coolant repair, $1,500. Dealership pricing makes luxury SUVs look terrifying. Fact 2. Independent shops cut luxury SUV maintenance costs by 40 to 70%. But here's what most people never mention. Luxury SUVs aren't expensive to maintain. Dealerships are. Independent shops often charge half, sometimes 1/3 of the price. Real-world independent shop pricing: BMW X5 oil change, $90 to $130. Mercedes GLE front brakes, $600 to $800. Audi Q7 minor service, $150 to $220. Lexus RX oil change, $60 to $90. Range Rover Evoque turbo service, far cheaper outside dealer. The big secret: luxury SUV parts are often the same brands used in non-luxury cars. Fact 3. Not all luxury SUVs are expensive. Some are cheaper to maintain than non-luxury cars. This surprises people, but it's true. Some luxury SUVs are insanely cheap to maintain. Examples: Lexus RX and GX, low failure rates, Toyota-based engines, cheap parts. Acura MDX and RDX, Honda reliability with luxury badge. Infiniti QX60, Nissan V6, long-lasting components. Volvo XC60 T5, relatively simple drivetrain, long service intervals. Genesis GV70, Hyundai parts with luxury-level interior. These often cost less to maintain than a Ford Explorer, Jeep Grand Cherokee, or Chevy Traverse. Fact 4. Most luxury SUV failures come from neglect, not brand or badge. People blame brands, but the biggest killer of luxury SUVs is neglect. Common causes: long oil change intervals, 10 to 15,000 miles, never changing transmission fluid, ignoring coolant leaks, cheap oil that burns, ignoring early symptoms, rough idle or small leaks, excessive idling plus short trip engines. Mechanics see this pattern everywhere. A well-maintained BMW or Mercedes can outlast a neglected Toyota. Fact 5. Some luxury SUVs actually are expensive and deserve the reputation. There are luxury SUVs that truly are money pits, no myth here. Examples of high-cost SUVs: Range Rover, older models, air suspension, electronics, drivetrain issues. Mercedes ML and early GLE, balance shaft failures. BMW N63 V8 SUVs, high oil consumption, expensive cooling system. Audi Q7 early 4.2 V8, chain tensioners and timing chains. These models will empty wallets, but they're the exception, not the rule. The idea that all luxury SUVs cost a fortune to maintain is a myth. Dealerships are expensive, not the cars themselves. Some models are cheap, some are average, and a few are disasters, just like non-luxury brands. Luxury SUVs aren't always expensive, but ignorance is.